Hello little artists, I'm Mariana Olson and today we're drawing a folding surprise present. Are you ready? Let's do this! Okay, we're gonna need paper, something to color with. I'm using markers and something to draw with. I will use a black marker that you can change for a pencil. We're gonna start folding the paper in half. Then we're gonna take the bottom part and fold in half again. Now we're gonna flip it over and fold one more time, and then we're gonna open it, you're gonna flip it, and we're gonna start drawing right here. Okay little artists, today we're back with Valentine's Day drawings and we're gonna do that inside a present. We are gonna start in the outside of the paper, and the first thing we're gonna do is on the middle here. I'm gonna put my finger and I'm gonna trace two lines next to my finger going up like this, and then we're gonna cross the folding part and we're gonna continue doing these lines. These time are gonna be a little longer and we're gonna try to make them at the same distance. Now we're gonna do the end of the present. So here I'm gonna leave about 3 or 4 fingers from you, and we're gonna put our line and I want to try to make them the same height. Now we're gonna put 3 fingers in the other side and we're gonna make a line. Now that we have all my lines, I'm gonna turn the paper and I'm gonna try to go from side to side, and I'm gonna start pressing the marker hard against the paper so I can go a little bit more straight. But remember, you can use a ruler if you need to. Just like that. And if my lines don't touch, you can just extend them. Now we're gonna do the bottom of the present. We leave here a finger space and we're gonna go down at the same distance of this one. We're gonna leave a finger space, we're gonna go down. Then the same thing here. We're gonna leave a finger space, we're gonna go down. Okay, now I'm gonna turn the paper and I'm gonna try to join all these lines from side to side like this. And I wanna extend these lines. To make it look more like a present, in the middle, we're gonna do a half a circle right here. And now we're gonna build the bow by doing a line that goes up and comes back down. It's kind of like a long letter U. And on the top, we're gonna do another one that is gonna go close, and as it goes down, it goes away from the first curve. One more time, we're gonna go close and go away from the curve. And to finish, we're gonna do a line inside to make it look more like a bow. That's all for the outside part. Now let's open the paper. And the first thing we're gonna do is finish the top of the present. We're gonna cross the lines, we're gonna turn the paper, and now we're gonna go from side to side. Make sure do not cross the folding part. Now let's extend these lines. Okay? Now on the bottom, we're gonna trace the lines a little longer. We're gonna cross right here. There is about 2 finger space from the folding part to the line. Now the line goes up like this. Before we close this part, we're gonna trace the paws of the cat there on the top. We're gonna do 2 very short lines. And at the end of these lines, we're gonna do a circle. This will be the first paw. Now let's do here another one. And inside, we're gonna put 2 little lines, a little curve, like a bracket, just like this. And now we're gonna join, or we're gonna pass the line in behind, just like this. Now we're gonna cross the bow lines to the top, just joining like this. And now we're gonna make the head of the cat. We're gonna go from the paw and we're gonna do a curve, crossing the folding part, and another curve. Now from here, I wanna do the ears, and it's gonna be 2 triangle shapes. We're gonna go in a little and we're gonna go up and come back down. And this side is shorter than this one. This one is long and this one is short. And we're gonna stop right there. Let's do the other side the same. In a little, go up, and go back down, and they're a little curvy on the top. Okay, now we're gonna trace a lines in between the 2 ears. just like this. And that's it. Now we are gonna continue with the face. Here in the middle, we're gonna do the little nose by doing an oval shape. And this oval shape is right on top of the folding part. And underneath, we're gonna do one curve to the left and one curve to the right. Now we're gonna do the eyes. They're gonna go on top of the folding part. One oval shape, two oval shapes, and these ones I'm gonna fill them with black. Now the whiskers are gonna be at the end once that we put the color. And there, that's it. We finished. This little cat is inside of a present. Let's check how it looks when we close it. And this is how it looks when we open. I hope you like this lesson, and now my favorite part is coming. Let's color. Okay, little artists, we are done. This is how my picture turned out with the present and colors that are very romantic, very Valentine's Day, but you can change all these colors. And here is this little cat that is ready to surprise somebody. I add some hearts around it. You can also add a decoration on the wrapping paper or on the present. You can use your imagination to finish your picture. So, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss lessons step by step like this one. See you next time!